No matter how big or small your garden is, it's a good idea to go out and check on it every day. I check mine sometimes 2 and 3 times a day. You never know what you're going to find out there, and then you may have some decisions to make.
All I have needs I have not provided.
It's the end of August, and this is the sweet potato patch. They still have a couple of months to go. Actually, about 3 months before I dig them up. And they're already blooming. I don't recall them blooming this early. So my schedule of digging them up the beginning of November may change. I'll be checking them and see when is the best time to harvest. You see that? Those are peanuts right there. A couple of stray peanuts sprouted and grew in amongst the sweet potatoes. See here? There's one. Now this patch here has had one slug the whole time, which is amazing. But do you see all these little holes? That is the work of a little white moth that decimated my pumpkins. So I don't see any birds coming in and out of this patch. So I really think that they don't like them, because there's plenty that they could have chosen from. Now look how the little worms decimated my Seminole pumpkin. I've left the vines hoping that they will recover, and I do see signs that they're trying to recover. So I've resorted to spraying with dipel. I don't like to, but I'm convinced that the birds don't want the worms, and I really don't want my... See, there's a moth right there, going right down in there. Look at that. They're not pollinating, they're laying their darn little eggs around in there. And this damage right here on the leaves is what you see. So after observing that they destroyed my Seminole pumpkins, I decided I'm going to have to use dipel. So far I've sprayed the sweet potatoes twice, and I will be spraying them again today. So dipel lasts for a few days, but if it rains, then a couple days later I'll come back out